Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan oatmeal pancakes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of plant-based milk, and a flax egg made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a small pinch of salt. These basic items are all you need to create a delightful breakfast that's both healthy and satisfying. Now that you have your ingredients, let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, combine your rolled oats, baking powder, sweetener, and salt. Give them a good whisk to ensure everything is evenly distributed. In a separate bowl, whisk together your plant milk and the prepared flax egg. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so resist the urge to keep stirring. It's time to cook these delicious pancakes. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. You can add a tiny bit of oil or vegan butter if needed, but often a good non-stick surface works perfectly. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, leaving some space between them. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip them carefully and cook until golden brown. Your amazing vegan oatmeal pancakes are ready to enjoy. Stack them high and top with your favorite fresh fruits, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dollop of vegan whipped cream. These are perfect for a weekend brunch or a quick weekday breakfast. If you have any leftovers, they store well in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days and can be easily reheated. And speaking of keeping things clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help you maintain a spotless kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.